Welcome to Best Reviews, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in innovative gadgets. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best smart kitchen gadgets that you can't afford to miss this year. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with all our future content. And don't forget, you can find all the product links mentioned in this video down in the description box below. Now, let's explore these game-changing kitchen tools together. Starting off strong at number 5, we have the GreenLife 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station. This powerhouse appliance boasts a healthy ceramic non-stick coating that's free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, ensuring worry-free meals. With its ingenious 3-in-1 design featuring dual griddle compartments and a convenient toast drawer, you can whip up full breakfast feasts with ease. From eggs and veggies to pancakes and bacon, the possibilities are endless. Plus, with its built-in timer and tempered glass lid, you can cook and monitor your creations with precision. And let's not forget about those cool touch handles, ensuring safe handling every step of the way. Moving on to number 4, we have the Lomi Classic, the world's first smart waste home food upcycler. Say goodbye to food waste and hello to nutrient-rich compost in under 24 hours. This electric marvel is designed for indoor use, making composting food scraps a breeze right on your countertop. With its simple touch interface and compact size, reducing waste and feeding your garden has never been easier. Plus, each Lomi bundle comes with 45 extra cycles of filters and pods, ensuring you have everything you need to start composting like a pro. Coming in at number 3, we have the ZEEKMUSS Smart Kitchen Knife set with block. Say hello to smart cleaning and sharp knives every time. This innovative knife set features a cleaning and drying function built right into the knife holder, ensuring your blades stay pristine with just the press of a button. Crafted from high-quality German stainless steel, these knives are not only durable, but also rust-resistant, guaranteeing a longer service life. And with a variety of knives to meet all your culinary needs, including a built-in sharpening rod and ergonomic handle design, this set is a must-have for any kitchen aficionado. Next up at number 2, we have the Rocyis Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder. Get ready to elevate your seasoning game with this sleek and practical gadget. Featuring automatic operation and adjustable grinding levels, this grinder takes the hassle out of seasoning your dishes. With its stainless steel body and blue LED light, it's as beautiful as it is functional. Plus, with safety features like an on and off button and one-handed operation, grinding salt and pepper has never been safer or more convenient. Last but certainly not least, at number 1, we have the Heyjar Fruit and Vegetable Washing Machine. Say goodbye to harmful residues and hello to pristine produce with this revolutionary device. Utilizing hydroxy water ion purification technology, this machine purifies fruits, vegetables, and even household items with ease. Simply press the switch, and in just 10 minutes, you'll have clean, healthy produce ready to enjoy. And with its wireless, portable design, you can take it with you wherever you go, ensuring fresh, clean produce wherever life takes you.